at Tamara's Skin Clinic today, and I'm gonna go in to get the Face and Body DMK Enzyme Mask. This mask claims to really do everything, including promote oxygen throughout my body and get the blood circulating, and it's also supposed to tighten and firm the skin. I just got back from a long trip. I'm very jet lagged, had 3 hours of sleep, so I'm really curious to see how I feel after this treatment, if I feel refreshed, awake, and like all the toxins are flushed out of my body. So let's try it out. DMK is a skincare brand that develops treatments for estheticians to use. They have this thing, it's called the Enzyme Therapy treatment, and it's for your face and your body. You're probably wondering how much it costs, so at Tamara Skincare Clinic, the treatment starts at $160 and goes up from there. On the DMK website, it says that the enzyme therapy works with your lymphatic system to help remove dead skin cells and toxins, promote blood circulation, help with acne and pigmentation, and restore skin. For the body enzyme therapy, additional benefits include reducing bacne and strengthening and firming the skin.
So I see that you have a little acne scarring. You're a little dry. So what we want to do is we want to get your skin hydrated. We want to get the circulation going so that your skin is bouncy and fresh looking. Okay. Dewy. Dewy.
I'm all up for dewy. And what is an enzyme if no one knows what it is?
An enzyme is a catalyst that gets the cells to work. So It's kind of like the little booster.
Does the body naturally have enzymes?
Yes.
And this is just giving the body more enzymes to like do its work.
The body and the skin do not utilize chemicals that it doesn't recognize. Everything that is in this mask is something that the body is going to recognize and take and use.
This is the cleanser?
This is cleanser.
Great. Oh, it's so tickly. Oh, it feels good.
This is a detox for the skin. It has sea salt and kelp. So it's going to bring the toxins in the skin up and then vaporize them off the skin. So if last night you were out drinking with the girls, it will vaporize off.
Usually this treatment has exfoliation, but we are skipping that step because I did a chemical peel a little while ago and we want to hydrate the skin. And the chemical peel did a lot of what the exfoliation is going to do.
I'm going to mix up some enzymes. There are 4 enzymes within the DMK range. There are 3 for the face. Then we have a body enzyme that is specifically for that because the body is thicker. And so it's a little stronger. This is the Enzyme One Mask.
Does it smell?
Kind of smells a little bit like oatmeal.
Yeah, it does. Feels very cooling. It's very relaxing. The smell is different. It's not like a typical spa mask smell. Very grainy, very oatmeal-y, although it feels very smooth. I feel like the neck area is starting to tighten up a little bit, so that's working very fast. I thought it would be like a good 10 minutes before I felt it really tighten, but I feel it already.
You know how you used to like put glue on your hand and peel it off?
Is this what it looks like?
Which is like so satisfying.
Yeah. I love glue on hands. It's getting really itchy. What do I do when it gets really itchy? Yeah, like right around the chest area. It's just like super itchy. Like almost stings. When I move it around, it feels better. Like I'm kind of like breaking up the itch a bit. Over here, you can see my artery is starting to pulse, which means that there's increased blood flow and lymphatic flow through my body.
That tightening is increasing your circulation. When circulation is increased, then there is more oxygen to the system. Oxygen is healing.
Then I finally sat up to apply the body mask, starting with an exfoliant. Tamara said that the enzymes in the body mask are slightly stronger than the ones in the face mask, and since I don't have too many visible concerns on my back, I mainly wanted to see the toning and firming benefits. I don't really think too much about my back, but if it tones, then that's great.
Just sitting up for 45 minutes, I really can't talk anymore. Wait, you're making me oh my god. Michaela's making me laugh, and it's like really okay, it hurts to laugh.
As long as you're laughing, it's okay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Ooh. Ooh, okay,
See,
don't poke too much.
But when you do that, can you see how you're bouncy now?
Yeah.
Lots more fluid in the skin.
Yes. This feels good because it feels like I'm cracking in between the mask onto my skin. Love it. A little claustrophobic, but otherwise it feels good. It's just like a new experience, a new feeling on your skin and face.
After 45 long minutes, Tamara removed both masks, starting with the back, and applied finishing serums and lotions. On the skin, you can see some dilated capillaries, which are a result of newly oxygenated blood. Cool!
If you like picking at your pimples, this would be so good to do, but I'm not gonna do it.
But I would fly down and get you right away.
Can I touch my face?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's incredibly soft. Wow, wait, I was not. This is so soft. My cheeks are so
bouncy.
Like bouncy, yeah.
It's been a week since I've had the DMK face and body enzyme treatment, and I've had some time to see how my skin reacted post-treatment, so here we go. Immediately after the treatment, my skin felt super soft and re-energized, and I typically break out a few days post-treatment, but my skin has been in perfect condition ever since, and I've even gone a few days without wearing any foundation, so I'm really surprised of how well my face has reacted to this enzyme therapy. For the body, it's a bit harder to see the results. I didn't see too many tightening or contouring benefits. I think if I had visible skin conditions like acne or hyperpigmentation or sun damage on my skin, that would be a good time to try this treatment then. But for now, I don't know if it's right for me. So the final verdict, I wouldn't go back for the body treatment unless my skin really needs it, but I'll 100% go back for the face enzyme therapy because I actually saw a huge difference in my skin. My skin feels great, and maybe I'll do it once a year and put up with the tiny discomfort of the treatment, but at the end, I'll leave with unclogged pores, and I'll remove dirt and excess oil from my skin and just really start fresh. One thing to note is that this isn't your typical facial mask or spa day. You might experience some tightening or itchiness on your face, but I actually saw a difference in my skin, and I think it's worth the pain for the results. Some pain, it's not terrible.